energies, bad luck, like that. Ganun yung paniniwala nila. So, sinisira talaga nila yung wedding gown. But, as time passes by, in the Philippines now, so it's like somehow we change it, like we customize it. So, we do it in another way. We do it with the bouquet toss. So, what do we believe with that? We believe that the next person who will catch the bouquet is going to be the next one to get married. But I don't know who started that belief. Hindi ko po alam kung sino ang nagpanimula niyan. Dahil nakasampung salila po ako, hindi pa rin ako nakasal. So, naniniwala ko kayo doon. Kasi we Filipinos, we love to believe in superstitious belief, no? Marami tayong maniniwala. But then somehow, it adds spice to our program. Okay, so I would like to request all our bachelorette or single ladies that we have here tonight. Where are the single? Come on, be proud that you are single because still you don't have the headache. So stand up, come on. All the single ladies. May problema po na single ka. Ayaw ko po maging single. People at the back who are single, please volunteer yourselves. Come on.
Alexa, tayo na kayo. Gerlin, tayo na mo.
Alright. All the singles out there. Okay, dito po wala na. Sige, isa-isahin natin yung table. Dito po, after here, are you married? Well, you're not married, so you have to stand up. Unless you can show me your marriage contract, you are single here. I want to see your ring.
Raisa, tayo.
Bilis na, para
Here,
matapos na.
Kaya nga.
Great. So we only have few single ladies here tonight. Ladies, listen to my instructions first. Listen very well, please. So, madam, excited ka naman ba to? So, ganito, guys, we'll have the reenactment of catching the bouquet for the single picture taking. Okay. Oh, parang lang pretend. Nakasabay ko lang. 1, 2, 3, go! Uy, parang sasayo lang.
Practice lang yun.
Parang interpretive dancing yung mga. Again! Ganito ko ano ba, guys?
Lumalayo kasi.
1, 2, 3, go! Ganyan yung umarte, guys. Guys, don't stop very fast, okay? Stay in your position. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Nag-flight ba kayo? Ako yung nagmamadali.
Yung bright natin, parang kanya pamingay yung bulaklak.
Ah, sorry.
Inakasman yung bright natin, kanya pamingay bulaklak.
Malungkot yata yung bright natin kasi ayaw niyang tumingin talaga. Okay, may your bright time, please. 1, 2, 3, and... Gusto ko na yung reaction ng ladies. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's it. Okay, ladies, please face here. Move a little bit to the side. Please. Yes, Mama, come here. We're not yet over with this. First, put down the bouquet, please. Ladies, facing our audience tonight, please. And find a place that you can move freely.
Selections.
Okay.
Kasaya mo na tayo?
Hindi mo mag-interpretive dance mo tayo. Okay. Make sure you can be seen. It's okay. Be proud of yourself, ladies. My dear single ladies, you are so privileged because, you know what? Not because you are single right now doesn't mean you are not blessed. You know? So I always tell this to all my bachelors, to all my single ladies, that it is always better to be single for a very long time than to be with the wrong person. And at the end of the day, you will regret it because you are rushing. We'll take a picture of that later on. So I hope you are contemplating with that. Okay, enjoy being single, because when you get into a relationship or being married, it will change. Alright? And do not tell me that you are not happy because you are single like this. There are lots of ways to be happy. Go on travel, go date with your friends. A lot of ways, okay? But do not just get married just because you are being pressured by the people around you. It's a no-no. Always choose to be happy, okay? And always pray for the right person. Do not just get married that person because he is handsome, he is rich, and he is capable of giving you everything. No. You are also capable of giving everything for yourself. Know that. And you should know your worth, ladies. Alright? So we pray for you and we pray for the best. 1, 2, 3, shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and then hands up. That's enough. One hand up. 1, 2, 3. Again, continuing with the same step. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, move your right leg. Okay, right foot to your right. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then both hands up. Yung makasang kahapon naman. Itago ko na yung makasang kahapon. Okay, both hands up. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Music, please.
Shoulder first. Dito kasi kita.
Those are fine, you're ready. Side view, alright. Come on, really. And let's give a flying kiss to our bride. Our bride. Would like. Okay, group hug. And 1, 2, 3, and I like it. Side view, one. Hey! don't put malice in it. It's just part of the program and there's nothing wrong, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. One more time. One more. Okay, my dear groom and congratulations to the both of you! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for sharing your blessings to our newlywed. Of course, we are still open for accepting your gifts and your blessings. But this time, we would like to check your table number so we can have our dinner. Alright? How many table numbers do we have, please? How many, sir? Do they have a number on the table or no? No. No, okay, so let's do it. Let's continue. Okay, let's do it this way. Those who are still going to give, just keep coming. Now, you may now go to our buffet. We'll just take a picture taking later on. So those who need to leave, please, you can now proceed to the buffet area. And before you leave, please do not forget to have the picture taking with our newlyweds tonight. Alright? Because I guess some need to leave so please serve yourself, enjoy the dinner. The couple is just here, so please, if you need to leave after the dinner, approach our newlywed for the picture. Thank you. Enjoy your dinner, everyone, and see you in the last part of our program.
Oh, yan!
Tatampo yung bride kasi mas marami daw pumalakpak sa groom.
Ay. Dahan-dahan lang.
Dahan-dahan po, 5 seconds po kasi.
Oh, sige.
Woo!